I grew up in Brazil, and so I've had açaí since forever. And I'll be sharing with you guys one of my favorite açaí recipes, which is a good pre or post-serve treat. I'm Bruna Schmitz, and this is Health Bites. I can eat it before serve, after serve, if I feel like having a cold snack. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna wash the strawberries. What I like to do is I like to put honey. So now we're gonna blend the açaí. Açaí is just really good. It's a superfood and it's antioxidant and it's a great snack to have. Almost a full banana because they were so big. I'm scared that it's gonna be too much banana. But here's the secret though, avocado, because it makes it really creamy. It gives it this beautiful texture. Lastly is just a little bit of almond milk. Okay. You see how creamy it is? I like to put toppings on the bottom, a little bit of coconut crunch. This is chia seed. Mixing one superfood with another superfood, you might become Superman, you never know. Then we have other toppings that it's whatever you would like to put on your açaí bowl. So here it is, superfood, full of antioxidants and vitamins, and tastes great.